What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is D Anthony with evolutiontraders.com. I am a full-time options day trader slash scalper. So as we get into this video, I kind of want to talk about Microsoft. Is Microsoft a buy here at 287, 288, or should we kind of hang tight and see what the chart does? So first off, what I really want to get into is kind of looking through a lot of the mega cap stocks, a lot of these high growth tech stocks. They are in their own bear market. Now, even if the indices like the SPY and the triple Qs and the Dow Jones are not technically in a bear market, which is a 20% decline from all-time highs, peak to trough, a lot of stocks are. So if we look at what's going on here on the daily time frame with Microsoft, we are currently trading below the 20-day moving average, which is sitting at around $301, and we're also trading below the 200-day moving average, which is $297. So this is an actual bear market on this one particular stock. And if you kind of go through the charts, you're going to see so many of these stocks are in their own bear market. So many of these stocks are below their daily supply. So even though a lot of you guys think that maybe these stocks are oversold and we're going to get one good bounce, that doesn't mean that we're coming back to all-time highs or even half of that. So if we kind of just look at where we were at going back to like November, $350 on Microsoft, currently trading at 285. So technically speaking, we're down 80 points, 85 points in the past 3 months. That's not a good thing. That's not what you want to see if you're a long-term investor. You've pretty much given back 3, 4, 5 months worth of gains. And if you've been holding and you are trading at an average price over 285, then you're kind of sitting at a loss here and you're kind of just been bag holding the last few months. Now, of course, if you're looking to, hold these stocks 5, 10 years down the road, I don't think you really have anything to worry about. I think this is just a minor speed bump, in the road. But if you're kind of like that shorter term swing trader, maybe you're a day trader, maybe, you're buying stocks, holding them for a month, buying stocks, holding them for 2 weeks, you're definitely feeling a lot of pain in this overall market. It's very, very volatile. It's very, very up and down, and it's very, very news driven right now. So one of the areas that I do want to look at before we can actually start buying Microsoft is Microsoft needs to close back over the 200-day moving average, or for me, it's not even a thought. This is not even going to cross my mind to start loading on my position now until I see us start to have some sort of definitive reversal. And that reversal for me is going to be at least a close over the 200-day moving average, but preferably over 301, which is the 20-day moving average. That's going to kind of break us out of this downtrend. If you can see, we put one initial leg down here, and then we did have a little bit of a bounce, and now we're slowly starting to fade again. So what's going to happen when we get down here to 285? Big area of concern for me that I'm going to be looking at here, potential short position here just for a day trade, just for a scalp, for a little bit of cash flow. If we do start confirming Friday's lows and we start to lose $285, I will enter a short position and look to cover profits into this 276. I'm not looking for the full 9 points worth of move, but if I can catch 2 or 3 points of that potential move, that's going to be more than sufficient enough. Just take decent size and manage your risk accordingly. But what I could also see happening here, if we do get some sort of relief with the headlines between Russia and Ukraine, I can see us potentially having a double bottom here, consolidating maybe 1 or 2 days with an inside bar, and then I could see a nice little bounce. If you're looking to play to the long side, I would definitely try to get in anywhere below 290 and then set a price target right around that 297, 300, and definitely want to lock in some of those profits here, just due to the fact that if we do get rejected, you do not want to be a part of being profitable and get stuck in a downturn where you now lose those gains. Just play it smart and accordingly. However, if we do lose 276, I would also expect for the triple Qs to be losing their macro levels of support as well and potentially getting into their own bear market as well. So definitely anything lost below 276, you're going to want to stay out of this thing's way. The overall measured value and the measured potential is definitely going to be to the long side. What you would be looking for here under 276 is some sort of a bounce and rejection, and then you want to take that short position. Some sort of bounce and rejection, and then you want to take that short position. That's how you trade an overall bear market or stocks that are declining, versus when stocks are rising, you want to be buying and selling into strength, and as they pull back, you want to load here, and then you want to sell here, and then you want to load here, and then you want to sell here. That's how you want to do it in an overall trending up market. So I think the problem that a lot of people are having right now is they're so used to, let's say, buying stocks here, having them pull back, buying more stock here, selling, having them pull back, buying more stock here, and having it continuously move up. So as we're, you know, in a declining market like we've been, whether you want to believe that or not, we are in a declining market in 2022. A lot of you guys are buying the dip here, okay? We are getting this bounce with no follow through, and then you're getting trapped on the next leg down. So you're buying the dip once more, and then when we start to bounce, you get happy, you think that things are going to get back to normal. However, we don't keep taking out these highs. Maybe we consolidate sideways, and then we put in that next leg down, and you just keep trapping yourself. So understand the overall market direction and trade accordingly. Guys, if you want to trade with me each and every single day live, where I'm kind of going over these levels and kind of giving them to you as they're playing out, definitely join my Discord. That link is down in the description box below. Also, give me a thumbs up so this video can get out to more people and more traders as possible, and subscribe to my channel. I would highly appreciate that. But until next time, guys, I'll see you guys all on the next trading video.